Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I welcome you all for our new video. Here I am, your English teacher, Miss Sadaf Javed, with new topic of English grammar, class 5. In this video, we are going to study about adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the part of speech. Before going to study about adjectives, we are going to revise about noun and pronoun. You must have heard about noun and pronoun in your previous classes. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. As we know that noun is a naming word. Here are the examples of person, place and thing. So we know what is noun. Now what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Example, he, she, it, they, etc. Pronoun is a word which we use instead of noun. For example, instead of using Ali, we can say he. Instead of using Sarah, we can say she. Instead of calling a animal, we can say it. And instead of calling many people, we can say they. So pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Now we know what is noun and pronoun. Now we are going to study about adjectives. That what are adjectives? Definition: an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Here you can see what are adjectives. Adjectives describes the noun or pronoun. For example, clever, tall, happy, angry, poor, etc. All these words are adjectives and they describes the noun. Adjective is a word used to add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. It means that adjectives add the meaning to the noun. They tells us more about the noun or a pronoun. For example, Sarah is a clever girl. Here Sarah and girl are noun. And what type of girl is she? She is a clever girl. Sohail is a tall boy. Here the noun is Sohail and boy. How is Sohail look like? Tall boy. My cat is very naughty. My cat is over here is noun. And what is the cat? Cat is very naughty. All the underlined words are adjectives that are clever, tall and naughty. Okay. Next, here you can see there is a chart of adjectives. That what adjectives shows. How adjectives describes the things. How adjectives describe the noun or pronoun. For example, color. Black, white, pink, yellow, brown, purple, orange, red, green. These all colors are adjectives. When they are combined with the noun, they will describe the noun. For example, I have a black shirt. I have a white trouser. Okay, other than color, size. Adjectives are also describe the size of the things. Small. He is a small boy. Tiny, medium, large, huge, gigantic, big, short, tall. Okay. Adjectives also describe the texture of something. What is the texture? The feeling or the surface of something when we touch. What would be the feeling of the thing? For example, there are things which are very smooth, hard, fluffy, soft, rough, sticky, bumpy, slippery or fuzzy. These are the texture of the things. Then adjectives also describe the shape of the thing, that are square, round, oval. Her face is oval, we can say curved. The road is curved. Straight, wide, narrow, crooked, flat. So you see here what adjectives describes. Adjectives describes noun and pronoun. And in which terms they describe noun or pronoun? In terms of color, size, texture and shape. Your homework is to write the definition of adjectives with examples in English B copy. Do your homework neatly and carefully. Okay, till then take care. Allah Hafiz and stay safe.